My name's Beth, and I'm an artist working in Portland, Oregon. Today's prompt for Journal On is, what tools are you using to process these times? During the lockdown, I was searching for something new to try when I realized I had this felting kit that's made of bits of wool and a special needle. And I began to transform my old sweaters, creating goofy faces on them. And it made me realize that in small ways I could change my surrounding environment. It's quite a powerful thing. So today I would like you to write about a list of any new creative skills you'd like to learn in the future. Then write about what you would make with them. In a way, each of these skills is like a different tool that we add to our creative imagination.